How to delete header and footer in PDF by using Adobe Acrobat DC. So in this video tutorial I'm going to show you the best way. So guys, let's start with the video. Before we start, I request you, if you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe my channel, and don't forget comments below. So let me open Adobe Acrobat. Okay guys, so here we are. This is my text of header, so we can remove this text. Okay, and you can see I don't have footer, but there is a text that in footer that I can remove. Okay, so in Adobe Acrobat we need to go in this alt text option. Under the alt text you can see this edit PDF. Just click on it. After this, edit PDF option will be enabled. Now you can simply, now your PDF file enabled to edit. Now just select this header and right click on it, and okay, select all this like this, or just select all details like this and delete it. Okay, save as. You can delete from here. Right click on it, select all, again right click and delete it. Then your header and footer will be deleted. After you done, go to the menu and make you can save this file as a new and select the area. You can choose the folder from your PC, select the location where you want to save it, just rename and just save it. It will be saved. Okay, so I hope you like this video. Please subscribe me. Thank you for watching.